Landlords, why you should always obtain a certificate of mailing on certain mailings of notices to tenants. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to these videos here. Now, I just was talking with a landlord about doing a security deposit counting under California law. Under California law, certain items need to be sent to tenants, and couple of different code sections like Civil Code Section 1950.5, which deals with security deposit accountings, notices of a belief of abandonment of a rental unit under Civil Code 1950.3, and disposing of personal property left after a tenancy has ended. That starts at Civil Code sections 1980 onward. Those sections state that a landlord can mail notices to the tenant or a security deposit accounting, if you're doing an accounting, by first class mail. Okay, now why is this important? Why get a certificate of mailing, and what is it? Okay, a certificate of mailing is a form offered by the U.S. Postal Service showing proof that a mailer put a piece of mail in the mail on a certain date and gave it to a USPS postal employee. That's highly relevant in certain situations of these tenancies that I just mentioned, because you have a legal deadline to put items in the mail, such as a security deposit accounting in California has to be mailed within 21 days. That, or you can personally serve them. One way to protect yourself is to show proof that you actually mailed the items in the civil code. Okay. And I think a certificate of mailing nowadays is like $1.50 or whatnot. For the extra $1.50 you get, if your tenant ever tries to come back against you and say, hey, landlord didn't properly mail me my security deposit accounting or a notice of abandonment, landlord can come up and go like, no, I actually did. Here's a copy of the notice, and here's my certificate of mailings that I put, your security deposit accounting in the mail within the legal requisite time frame. And then the tenant is going to have the burden to show that that didn't happen for whatever reason. A lot of times these things don't come up, but I use certificate of mailings a lot in my office just to show proof in court, or if it's something comes up in the file where tenant claims you didn't do something proper, like you took possession back of a unit unlawfully or anything. Like, no, I gave you the notice of abandonment. I threw away your personal belongings after 18 days under Civil Code 19, I think 83 or 84 deals with that. There's a statutory disclosure that you have to send in an inventory of items, for example, that addresses that. So for $1.50, I like the protection. I think those USPS forms is PS 3817. That's like the one. It's like a little, looks like a business card almost. It's a little bit bigger than a business card. Our office uses the certificate of mailing form, and that's PS 3665. You can attach up to 6 addresses on that form, and I think they only charge you like $2 or $3 for that. Used to do that a lot when I did probate work, when we mailed creditors' claims, where we have to show that we deposited certain disclosures in the mail to creditors, and I still use that to this day in my practice here. So if you have any questions about that, comments, concerns, whatnot, put them in the comments below, and it could save you a lot of hassle in the future. Okay, till next time, folks, I'll talk to you then. Thanks.